Hello, I'm Dan St. Louis. I'm Director of the Manufacturing Solutions Center here in Conover, North Carolina. We're part of Catawba Valley Community College. I've got 22 full-time, about 12 part-time folks. We're here to create jobs and keep jobs here in North Carolina. We were started in 1990 as the Hosier Technology Center, and we know our business model is we're going to have to change as the business conditions change in order to keep folks employed and create new jobs. We have a new building that was built in 2012. We had a lot of help from the U.S. Economic Development Administration and the North Carolina Department of Commerce. We built it on time and on budget at $100 a square foot. We've had over 7,000 people come through here in the last 2 years, which is all part of our industry outreach to the schools and students. Basically an iPad on steroids, the interactive touch wall that you can interact with and show what's going on in the manufacturing community and what's going on at MSC in general. We've got 15 cameras located throughout the building. We can zoom in and pan and bring it up for our customers online. Since we've had this touch wall, over 4,000 students, principals, and teachers from 7 different counties have come through and interacted with this wall. We're trying to bring new products to the market, and we work with everybody from an entrepreneur with a good idea to a Fortune 500 company that needs help to create new products or figure out what's gone wrong with their other product. Some of the things that we employ are 3D knitting, 3D printing, structural testing devices, and along with help from many of our partners such as NC State, the ASU Engineering Center, and others, whatever it takes to get the job done. We learned a lot in trying to get new ideas to the marketplace over the years. This has become a big part of MSC as there are a lot of innovative ideas coming from everywhere, and we need to direct them to North Carolina to get the products made. In the past 2 years, there were over 810 entrepreneurs that we helped to develop their dream into a reality. This involves strategic thinking, product prototyping, sourcing of the product, market development, and distribution. We've had some of our products appear on Oprah, The View. It's all fun and exciting stuff, but most importantly, it creates jobs for North Carolina. We test products for over 1,050 companies in 32 countries, all with ties to the U.S. and North Carolina. Our testing center was started at the request of industry, but we're a little different from most labs. We are about solving the problems that show up or in helping develop better performing products through testing and experimentation. We're an ISO 17025 certified lab. In summary, we're all about economic development and job creation. That's why we come to work every day. In the last 2 years, we had a $25.3 million economic impact and 454 jobs either created or retained here in North Carolina. That's what it's all about for us.